Hi everyone, welcome from Tech Tips. Today is just a quick video which show you how to apply this tempered glass on any phones. I use the iPhone 6 as example. It's so easy, and this technique you can actually use for any single phones you have. If you need to apply the screen protector without any bubble, and it looks nice like this one. Just watch this to find how to do it. How to apply tempered glass for any phones. I'm doing on iPhone 6 now. Mainly you need the first really good clean, give it really good clean for the screen. Be sure there is no any dust or something like that. Like, try best as possible. And you can use this technique for any phones, and it's so easy. Once it's clean, you take a new glass screen protector, you peel it off the one side, another side is alright, is already, and like I said, just be sure there is no any single piece of dust or any fingerprints. You really don't want them under the screen protector. Down, and what I'm doing, I hold it on the side. First, where's the earpiece hole, I match it up, and after that, where's the home button, pushing down, and make a line on the middle, and just wait till this all bubble just come off, and the bubble which is left, you just push out. And that's usually, if it's good and clean screen, usually it doesn't make any bubble. This one is actually make a little bit. It's not a problem. You can just push them out, and if not going out, just slightly lift it up and pushing down, and it's gone. And this side as well. Lift it up a little bit and pushing down. Okay, all done. Easy, quick, and good job. No bubble at all. Click like and subscribe for more. Bye.